Another day, another task. We need to install these luggage racks on my car with this set of screws. So this rubber gasket is removable. I'll need to remove it on both sides, just like that. Our luggage racks is installed in this on the side of the car that I showed you in one video where we tried to fix it. And I just install that like this. I'll double check it. It's the right one because they are different in length. And the back one is a similar fashion but different lengths. Now we need just screws. So it was coming with black screws. I replaced them with inox ones, stainless steel, because they don't rust that easily. I'll place all of them in holes, so then I could just screw them. So it's stainless steel. They still have signs of rust on the thread, which is strange. But you don't have any other option. And now with we just screw them with hex wrench. Till they are tight. Don't over screw them because I might still need to move it side to side to provide best grip. if you're interested, it's a 4mm hex key. And it helps if you clean the threads from time to time. Because it's so much easier to screw these bolts when they are simply screwing, and then you don't need additional force for that. And just like that, all 8 bolts is in place. We will tighten them just a little bit, so that we know they are tight. Not tightening them super hard, because they will be hard to take out. And that's it. Now we reinstall our rubber gasket on the roof of the car. And just like that, you owe me $100 for installing roof rack on your car. Subscribe to the channel to see more.